Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Christine and welcome back to my channel. I'm running out of time again. I'm working today again. I love this kind of like a video, like I'm running out of time. I don't have much time to play around. But anyways, on today's video, I'll be creating a very simple makeup look using my September favorites makeup, whatever. So I just picked some of them that I'm in love for the month of September. First, I'll be using this Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. I already featured it one of my videos before that I love this BB cream. I don't know, it's just like very simple BB cream, just like when I apply it to my face, it just look like my skin tone. So I love this BB cream from Maybelline. It's just give those very natural skin tone onto my skin. So this is one of my favorite from Maybelline. Super nice coverage, not kicky at all, just like your skin. You don't feel nothing like have something into your face. So one of my favorite. From Maybelline. It just gives those like glowy, healthy looking into your skin. That's why I love this BB cream. I'm in love with this. When I'm like I want something to put in my skin, like very natural skin tone, this is normally I use every day, especially for work. Really natural color. There you go. For the concealer, again, one of my favorite concealer, Hey Honey Trick and Treat concealer. This is what it looks like, guys. This is amazing concealer. One of my favorite concealer. And I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. I'm running out of time, that's funny. And then I put it here. Something like that. And we're just gonna blend it. Oh, by the way guys, I'm using already the earrings that I bought from Walmart the other day that I did a haul. I did a videos, but it's cute. I like it. I'm just gonna put it all over, even on the top of my eyelid, something like that. Blend it too. Done with the concealer. I'm okay with that. Okay, next is this Ramil powder foundation in the shade Natural. So it's look like, guys. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes to set my concealer like that. This is one of my favorite powder foundation from Ramil. It's a really nice powder foundation. I'm just setting my under eye after I apply the concealer, and there you go, done. Okay, next is the blush from Ramil Max Blush. This is what it look like, guys. I love this blush, kind of like pinkish. You got those like highlight or something highlighter on it, and this is what look like the shades. So I'm just gonna use this for my blush, and I need a mirror. You can see, very natural. Just put it all over on the top of my cheeks, something like that. By the way, guys, the Garnier, no, is that Garnier Frictus hair serum that I bought the other day? I've been using those for 2 days because after I shower at night before I go to bed, oh my god, it gave my hair so soft and not dry at all. Like, give those moisturize my hair so nice. I love the result of those serum. There you go, really natural, give those pinkish shiny onto my cheeks. One of my favorite blush from Ramil, very natural. See these shades, super nice blush from Ramil. Okay, moving on to mascara. Still one of my favorite. I have videos about this mascara. I'm still in love with this mascara from L'Oreal. Just a super nice mascara. Give those lashes more thick and long onto my eyelashes. Something like that, guys. You can see the difference when I apply it. Something like that, super nice. Give those like long and thick lashes onto my eyelashes. I love it. Okay, next, done with the mascara. I love how it looks onto my eyelashes. Again, one of my favorite mascara from L'Oreal. So nice. Okay, moving on to the lipstick. So I've been using it for a month. I got it for my monthly subscription beauty box last month, and the brand, they call it brand Tristique, and it is a lip matte crayon. What I love about this lipstick, we do wear mask at work and it doesn't smudge all over my lips, and also it doesn't transfer the lipstick onto the mask. So this is one of my favorite lipstick that I try, because some of the lipstick that I try, it got all over my mouth, and also got the product transferred to the mask. So this one doesn't transfer the lipstick onto the mask, and also it doesn't like messy at all onto my lips. Stay on my lips for the rest of the day. So if you want to try this brand, go check it out. It's amazing lipstick. I just in love with this lipstick from now on. It's a nice beauty brand of lipstick. So I love this, using it going to work, because even I do have mask, it doesn't smudge all over my mouth, and also it doesn't transfer the product onto the mask. So such a nice beauty brand. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna go. I'm going to work. I don't have much time to play around. Again, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.